Hello good people of Planet E, welcome back to the channel, and I hope your experience on this channel has been wonderful. If you are yet to have the experience, the right thing to do is to go through the videos on the channel to decide if you are giving us a follow or subscribing to the channel. This video is supposed to be a lip combo tutorial, but it's just me trying to tell you to keep doing it until you get your desired finish. You can see how washed out her lip or her face looks with this lining, with the color of the lining I chose here. So stay tuned as I continue adding until I get the right shade for her skin type. Was done with this. I knew I wanted something bolder. I needed something to make her look bolder than she already looks. So adding other colors and seeing that the problem or my solution doesn't lie or did not lie on adding colors on the inner lip, what I did next would wow you. Even when I tried lining it again, I realized that, okay, this wasn't working. And then what I did was to use a darker shade, a darker color, a darker lip pencil to line her lip to bring everything together. You can see what the difference it's made. So yeah, like I said earlier, you keep trying until you get your desired result. If you are new here, please kindly like, subscribe, and share this video to your family and friends. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. You know how we do it here. Share the video, comment, like, also send to your family and friends or anybody you know that needs this tutorial. So all I did was finish lining it and then glossed her lip and she was good to go. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.